Hi, this is Josue from Apex Insurance and Accounting Group.
On the last two videos, which is fall on the formal business structure, we were talking about LLC. We see the advantages and the disadvantages of an LLC. We also see advantages and the disadvantages of the C corporation. Today, we will see S corporation. What is an S corporation? S corporations is a corporation that elect to pass through corporate income, loss, deductions, and credit through their shareholder for federal tax purposes. Basically, when you look at it, you can see like an S corporations is just like an LLC, but it's give you the coverage of a corporation. If we want to look at the advantages of this business, is a pass-through entity. You don't pay taxes. You don't pay FICA taxes. You don't pay FICA taxes on the profit of the business, which is like a huge saving. That's an advantage. You do have liability protection. But remember, if you are a sole owner, make sure you keep everything on track to make it difficult to not piss your corporate bill. If we want to look at the disadvantage of this business, like you see on the C corporation, every protections you have under the C corporations, you also have them under the S corporation. But the disadvantage of an S corporation is you only limited to 100 shareholder, and all of the shareholder must be legal residents or US citizen. Therefore, when you have this type of business, it's tough for you to get foreign investor under an S corporations. Basically, in my opinion, a C corporations is a great type of business for any type of organization. In order for us to see some light onto those three organizations, when you look at it like an LLC, a C corporations, an S corporation, all of those type of business are great type of business to be in. Remember, there is no right and there is no wrong answer on the business structure. It's all depend on your situation. Like, to conclude, I will try to give you some example of why any type of those business, they are good, depend on your situations. If you have an LLC, for instance, your net profit is $30,000 and you don't have any other job, this structure, it's right for you. But let's say you are a professional who have a job where you're making over $200,000 on your W-2. Okay? LLC, and you have an LLC, you make 30K on net profit or 100K on net profit, the LLC, it's right for you. But let's say you don't have another job. You only have an LLC and your net profit is $200,000. You see, now this type of structure is not beneficial for you because there is no tax saving there. And S corporations will be the best form for you. Just on those two examples, you can see this is not something you can wake up today and tomorrow choose a structure. It's all depend on your situation. If you have rental property, it doesn't matter how much money your income is. An LLC is always the best choice for you. That's why it is always good to seek professional advice if you don't know what is the right choice to make between those structures. At Apex Insurance and Accounting Group, we can help you choose the right structure. You can contact us via phone number, which is 954-865-5021, or you can visit us on the web at www.aiagroup.inc.com. Please do not hesitate. We have a free 30-minute consultations that can help you probably resolve your issue on 30 minutes.